Trending ngayon sa social media ang sunod-sunod na Instagram post ni Catherine Bernardo, para sa kanyang dating nobyo na si Daniel Padilla. Panoorin niyo ito para inyong malaman ang buong istorya at pangyayari ng kanilang hiwalayan. Ayon kay Catherine, sinabi ko before sa interview sa akin ni Tito Boy na if ever maghiwalay kami ni Dij babalikan ko siya, kaso tao lang din po ako napapagod. May mga pangako talaga tayo na di natutupad dahil minsan nasasabi lang natin yun dahil sa sobrang pagmamahal natin, at pag sobra na yung sakit, hindi mo na din mapapanindigan, dahil kailangan unahin mo naman ang sarili mo. Huwag po main love sa mga malalaki ang mata. Dahil malaki ang chance makakita yan ng iba. Mali po ata yung pagkakaintindi niya ng pagpapatawad ko sa kanya, oo pinatawad ko na si Dij. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun na kailangan ko ulit siya sa buhay ko, pinatawad ko siya dahil gusto na ng peace of mind, kailanawan sa lahat sa sarili ko pero hindi ibig sabihin nun na pwede siyang bumalik. Ayon pa kay Catherine, what Dij and I had was real. It was never for show. We were together not because of the cameras, not because of the fans, not because of the money that comes with a successful love team, we were genuinely in love. That's almost half of my life that I would never regret and would never trade for anything in the world. DJ, you gave me 11 beautiful years and the kind of love that I will never forever cherish. I will always be grateful for you. I'm well aware of the rumors and speculations going around, and as hard as it is to put everything into words, I want you to hear it straight from me. It's true that DJ and I have decided to part ways. I promised to never lose myself in this industry, so I have always been as authentic to you as I can be. I know what many of you are thinking right now. I'm well aware of the rumors and speculations going around, and as hard as it is to put everything into words, I want you to hear it straight from me. It's true that DJ and I have decided to part ways. Chapter closed. I hope this finally helps all of us move forward. I won't be entertaining questions regarding this anymore. Thank you for understanding. Ito ang mga Instagram post ni Catherine Bernardo na umani ng iba't ibang reaksyon sa social media. Maraming naawa kay Catherine sa naranasan nito kay Daniel. Ngunit si Catherine ay masaya naman para kay Daniel kung ano ang tinatahak nito ngayon sa industriya.